Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In this video we are going to practice using tener expressions in Spanish. Be sure that you've studied the topic in your textbook. There's also a grammar tutorial video that you can watch. If you're joining us from outside of the class and you don't have any materials, you can just Google the topic Spanish tener expressions and you'll find some YouTube videos that describe what these tener expressions are and how to use them. When you're ready to practice, well then come here. That's the point of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, there's no way around it. You have to memorize the verb tener, the conjugation of the verb tener in the present tense. In the present tense for now, you'll learn it in some other tenses later. Most native Spanish speakers just learn this through practice, so the more that you force yourself to do it, the better off you'll be. Let's take a look at some common tener expressions in Spanish. So expressions that commonly use to be in English will have a Spanish equivalent that does not use the verb to be in Spanish. It actually uses the verb tener. So for example, to be hungry in Spanish, we literally use the expression to have hunger. So if I want to say I am hungry, I literally have to say in Spanish, I have hunger. If I want to say I am thirsty, I literally have to say I have thirst. I am hot, I feel hot. Literally, I have heat. If I want to say I'm cold, I literally have to say I have cold. And so it's that type of expression. You just have to memorize it. Why is it that way? Well, it's just a different language and it has its own rules. So you just have to accept that this is the way it is in Spanish. And this is how you express the idea. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. If I want to say I am hungry in Spanish, again, you have to use the tener expression, tener hambre. Just conjugate the verb and you've got it. I am hungry. Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tengo hambre. Again, literally you're saying I have hunger, and that's what a native Spanish speaker will say. That's how they understand the expression works. When you translate or interpret this back to English, it means I am hungry, because in English our custom is to use the verb to be, not to use the verb tener. Okay, I am hungry, tengo hambre. The patient is hungry. ¿Cómo se dice the patient is hungry? El paciente tiene hambre. El paciente tiene hambre. The patient is hungry. El paciente tiene hambre. The patients are hungry. ¿Cómo se dice the patients are hungry? Los pacientes tienen hambre. Los pacientes tienen hambre. The patients are hungry. Los pacientes tienen hambre. She is thirsty. ¿Cómo se dice she is thirsty? Ella tiene sed. Ella tiene sed. She is thirsty. Ella tiene sed. We are cold. ¿Cómo se dice we are cold? Tenemos frío. Tenemos frío. We are cold. Tenemos frío. The patient is scared. Literally, we say to have fear. So I would say literally the patient has fear, which means the patient is scared. El paciente tiene miedo. El paciente tiene miedo. The patient is scared. El paciente tiene miedo. The children are scared. ¿Cómo se dice the children are scared? Los niños tienen miedo. Los niños tienen miedo. The children are scared. Los niños tienen miedo. How would you ask someone, are you hot? Remember, conjugated verb first, then subject pronoun. ¿Tiene usted calor? ¿Tiene usted calor? The nurse is right. ¿Cómo se dice the nurse is right? La enfermera tiene razón. La enfermera tiene razón. Okay, so it's just a matter of memorizing these TENER expressions. These are some of the most common TENER expressions. There are quite a few more, but this will help you to get started with TENER expressions. Okay, well that's it for this video. If you didn't get them all right during the practice part of the video, then go back to the beginning and try to go through the video and answer all of the questions before I show you the right answer. When you're able to do that, then you've really learned something. That's it for this video. Hasta luego. Ciao.